We are at Ocean Shores now for a week of vacation, and here is this lone seagull here, and I love watching the birds here. There seems to be a whole flock of birds here. Now I get him really close. He's I'm probably expecting some handout. He's been sitting there for several minutes, even though there are signs of do not feed the birds. And I agree with that. I never do, because I think they could do better feeding themselves. There was a whole flock of the blackbirds, and it's just so neat watching them fly. I'm having a time. Ooh. Oh yes, and here is the panoramic view from the back of our unit. In the unit here. More of the panoramic view. And I'm so grateful to have the opportunity to be here. Thank you.